Welcome to the Slowly English Listening Podcast. Together, we'll improve your English step by step. Episode 7, Hobbies and Free Time. Hello everyone. Smile and enjoy this moment for yourself. I want to remind you why we are here. Many people feel stress when they study, but the secret to real confidence is to listen at a calm pace. When we speak slowly, the rhythm of English becomes clear. It's like listening to your favorite song, you want to hear every note. Today, don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on the sounds and be proud of the time you are spending on yourself. You are doing something great. Welcome to episode 7 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to be here with you today. In our last episode, we traveled to new places. Today, we are talking about something very personal and fun, hobbies. What do you do when you are not working? What do you do for fun? In English, talking about your hobbies is the best way to make new friends. Let's learn the most common activities. Repeat after me. Reading books. Watching movies. Listening to music. Cooking. Traveling. Very good. Now, let's learn the magic question to ask someone about their hobbies. Repeat after me. What do you do in your free time? When you answer, you can simply say, I like, or I love. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I like swimming. I love playing football. I like gardening. Notice that after like or love, we often add ing to the action. This is a very important rule for beginners. Now, let's talk about sports. In English, we use different verbs for sports. We use play for games with a ball. Repeat after me. I play tennis. I play basketball. We use go for activities ending in ing. Repeat after me. I go running. I go cycling. And we use do for individual activities. Repeat after me. I do yoga. I do karate. Excellent. Now, imagine you are meeting a new person. You want to find something you both like. Listen to this short dialogue. What do you do in your free time, Sarah?
I love photography and I like hiking. What about you, Adam?
I like cooking and listening to podcasts. Did you hear the question, what about you? This is a great way to keep the conversation going. You are doing a great job. Learning English is actually a hobby too. You are spending your free time improving yourself. That is amazing. Here is my special tip for today. Try to find a hobby that you can do in English. If you like cooking, watch a cooking video in English. If you like music, read the lyrics of your favorite English song. When you mix your hobby with English, you learn without stress. Don't worry about being perfect. If you say, "I like read," instead of, "I like reading," people will still understand you. The goal is to communicate, not to be a dictionary. Your progress is visible. Every episode, you are building a stronger house of English. Your homework for today is this: tell me about your favorite hobby. Write in the comments, "In my free time, I like." And tell me what you love to do. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. I am Adam. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.